Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you. I welcome you all in this symposium. I am Dr. Vimal Chandra Verma from Siddharth University, Kapilvastu, India. Today I will be presenting on the topic Smart Cities and Sustainable Climate Action, Integrating Technology for Resilient Urban Future. So, as the world faces the urgent challenge of climate change, cities are increasingly seen as critical nodes in global response. They are home to over 50% of world's population and consume more than 70% of global energy, yet they also produce a disproportionate amount of greenhouse gas emissions that we all know that it has become a major challenge for all of us. So to address both the impacts of climate change and the demands of growing urban populations, cities must transform into smart cities that leverage cutting edge technology to promote sustainability, resilience, and livability. In India, most of the cities, the work is going on and they are being converted into smart cities. So now let's coming to the next slide. Role of smart cities in climate action. Smart cities are digital technologies, data analytics, and Internet of Things to manage and optimize resources, infrastructure, and services. These technologies help improve quality of life, reduce environmental impact, and make urban environments more adaptive to challenge posed by climate change. The integration of technologies is essential for cities to become more resilient, sustainable, and capable of mitigating the effects of climate disruptions. So, in order to make, or we can say what is the role of smart cities in climate action, we have certain uh, key aspects, and that we are going to take one by one. The first one is energy efficiency and low carbon infrastructure. Smart grids, energy efficient buildings, renewable energy sources are cornerstone of sustainable city. Smart grids, for example, use sensors, communication networks, data analysis to optimize electricity distribution and reduce energy consumption. And it was said by Sorel in his study. Buildings equipped with sensors can automatically adjust lighting, heating, and cooling system to minimize energy waste. Additionally, integrating solar panels, wind turbines, and other renewable technologies into urban infrastructure help cities reduce reliance on fossil fuels. It was said by Graham in his study. In India as well, we can see that most of the buildings, if you'll come, you'll see that they are having solar panels in order to cut down the carbon emission. The second one is sustainable mobility and transportation. Transport is a major source of greenhouse gas emission in urban areas. So, smart mobility systems like electric vehicles, EVs, autonomous vehicles, and integrated public transportation system can help reduce emissions and congestion. So, smart cities can use real time traffic data to manage transportation flow and reduce emissions through efficient routing, congestion avoidance, and promoting sustainable alternatives like biking and walking. The third one is waste management and circular economy. Waste management is another area where smart technologies can make a significant impact. By using sensors and data analytics, cities can optimize waste collection routes, monitor waste volumes, encourage recycling. Advanced technologies like smart bins can alert waste management teams when they are full, ensuring efficient collection and reducing unnecessary trips. It was said by Brain in his study in research. Additionally, smart cities can promote the circular economy by supporting initiatives that reuse, repair, recycle products, reducing overall waste generation. Now let's come to the another point, and that is water conservation and management. Water scarcity is becoming an increasing concern in many parts of the world, and cities are under pressure to manage water resources more efficiently. Internet of Things sensors can monitor water uses in real time, identify leaks, and optimize irrigation system. Smart water meters can encourage citizens to use water more efficiently, while smart wastewater system can treat and recycle water for reuse in industries and agriculture. So by this we can work on water conservation and management, because this is also very important in case of smart cities. Another is climate resilience and disaster management. Climate is causing more frequent and severe weather events such as floods, heat waves, and storms. Cities, smart cities can enhance their resilience to their risks by using predictive analytics, IoT sensors, and early warning systems to monitor environmental conditions and respond quickly to crisis. For example, real-time flood monitoring system and forecasting system can alert residents and authorities in impending floods, allowing for timely evacuations and better emergency response. Similarly, urban cooling systems such as green roofs, shaded walkways can help mitigate the urban heat island effect in heat prone areas. So, these are the things which we can do in terms of climate resilience and disaster management. Now, let's come to the next point, and that is green infrastructure and urban planning. We can go for smart cities, embrace green infrastructure solution to uh, have urban resilience and reduce environmental impacts. These solutions include development of parks, green roofs, urban forest, green walls, all of which contribute to carbon sequestration, improve air quality, and provide cooling effects during heat waves. Through smart urban planning, cities can promote more sustainable land use and reduce sprawl and design spaces and encourage biodiversity and environmental stewardships. So, this is another area. Now, let's come to integrating technology for resilient climate urban futures. To effectively integrate these uh, technologies into urban development, cities must approach smart city initiatives with a clear vision for sustainability and climate resilience. So, what are the key steps which we may take into consideration? That is data driven decision making. Our decision making should be data driven. That means central to the smart city concept is the use of data to inform policies and actions. By collecting analyzing data and sensors from sensors and other digital tools, cities can gain insights into energy consumption, traffic patterns, waste production, and environmental conditions. This data can guide investments in infrastructure, help optimize existing systems, and provide feedback for improving climate action strategies. The next one is collaboration and partnerships. Achieving a resilient, sustainable, and smart future requires collaboration across sectors, government, technology providers, businesses. Citizens must work together to develop innovative solutions and ensure that climate action is inclusive. It's not the responsibility of one particular uh, provider. All of them must come together. They must have a fruitful partnership in order to do it. So, public private partnership can help secure funding for infrastructure projects, while community engagement can ensure the solutions that are equitable and address the needs of all the residents. So, what are the policy and regulatory frameworks? The government plays a critical role in setting the policies and regulations that guide the development of smart cities. Clear policies on sustainability, emission reduction, renewable energy adoption, and climate resilience are necessary to ensure that cities grow in ways that are both environmentally and socially responsible. Incentive standards, regulations should be designed to encourage the widespread adoption of technologies, as well as integration of sustainability into urban planning. Citizen centered design. Ultimately, smart cities should prioritize the well being of their residents. So, technologies must be deployed with an emphasis on inclusivity and accessibility, ensuring that all the residents can benefit from the advancements. And the next one is innovation and research. The transition to smart, sustainable cities require continuous innovation and research. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and machine learning can improve new possibilities for urban sustainability. Government, universities, and research institutions must collaborate to test and scale new solutions and can make cities more efficient, resilient, and environment friendly. So, as conclusion, as cities around the world continue to grow, the need for climate conscious urban development will only become more pressing. The integration of smart technologies offers a promising pathways to a sustainable and resilient futures. However, successful implementation depends on overcoming challenges such as data privacy concerns, technological inequality, and financing of large scale infrastructural projects. Ultimately, the vision of smart cities as hub of sustainability and resilience will reduce the collaborative efforts of governments, businesses, and individuals. By embracing technological innovation and prioritizing sustainable, inclusive urban development, cities can become key drivers of global climate action agenda, helping to create a more resilient and equitable future for all. So this was all about, and these are the references which I have quoted in my study. So thank you so much for listening and watching to my video in this beautiful symposium. Thank you so much again.